Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session, we'll be discussing about membership operators. What are they? In Python, membership operator test for the membership in sequence, such as string, list, or tuples. So there are two types of membership operators. One is in, another one is not in. So what in does? In returns true if the member is present in that sequence, and not in returns false if it is present. That is, it will return true if it is not present in that sequence. See, for example, let's declare a variable such as string, and let's assign a string value. Now let's check if letter A in string A. So here we are checking that is A alphabet, is A string is present in this A variable. So it will return true if A is present in A variable. Let's take another example such as, and let's another example for not in. Let's run this. Here you can see it have returned a boolean value. Now let's see for this. Is A present in A variable? Yes, it is there. So it have returned true. Is Z present? Well, no. So it have returned false. So is Z not in A? So here we can see Z is not present. So it have returned true. So here we are done with membership operators. Well, if you like this video, please comment, share, like, and please share. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.